Welcome to a week of vegan eats, as well as what it looks like in my life while I'm trying to regulate my nervous system, working and creating my home office on a budget. Drops wasted. It is time for a shower, but look at my cute fit, my cute yoga fit. Hello, sports bra, got a new one. Big wall body, okay.
I put blush on my nose. He thinks that is so cute.
Okay, this is today's work from home outfit. I got these new pants and this new shirt. It's so cute. It says, "I'm just a girl," and I am just a girl. This is the makeup for today. I think I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. I love it. All right. Cute little black Barbie type vibe. Hello beautiful people, my microphone is dead, so muffa charge it all. Sorry about that. But anyways, I wanted to do like a week in the life type thing as a 24-year-old food blogger. Basically just trying to get back into my vibe. Last week was a very hard week for me. Oh, let me introduce myself. Hello. My name is Tiffany. Welcome back to another I Tell Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. On this channel, you will find a lot of plant-based recipes, Jamaican experience and culture, as well as travel. But today I wanted to do like a vlog type. If you're new, welcome. If you have been here, what's up? But yeah, I wanted to do like a vlog, my week, showing how I'm getting back into the groove. I already feel so much more like myself compared to last week because my nervous system was not regulated whatsoever. I was just so anxious every day. I was so anxious to the point where I was like shaking all the time and I just couldn't stop shaking. It was ridiculous. So I want to make sure I'm eating well today. Not just today, like the entire week. I want to make sure that I am spending time with friends. I want to make sure that I'm doing my best to not overthink. I have a lot of projects to do as well as work to do. Of course, I am a full-time food blogger, so I have to do work today. I have to write like 2 or 3 recipes today. I have to help someone with their website. I have to edit a long form video. I have to edit a short form video. There's a lot of stuff I have to do, okay? My camera's about to die, so let's get on to that.
I've been feeling down all night. You tell me it's alright, it's alright, alright, alright. So 잘했다 부른 바다. How deep it can be when you jump up.
What the hell? What the hell? So I am transforming my upstairs den into like an office space for me, because good news, as a business owner and having a home-based business, I can use all these things for write-offs. So my friend just gave me a couch, so I got some pillows for it. But I also saw this super duper cute like toast pillow. It looks like this. I'm gonna open it and see how it looks on the couch. It looks kind of creepy because I wasn't expecting it to be like printed picture of a toast with a smiley face. But let me show you all upstairs and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's so cute! I love it. Oh my gosh, look at its arms. Hi there, my name's Fred. Let me show you all the upstairs units. So this room up here has been empty for a couple months now, so I've decided to transform it into my own little space. My friend actually gave me this couch for free, so I went to Ross yesterday and got some pillows. And this over here, this looks crazy. So tomorrow or the day after that, I'm gonna spend like a couple hours organizing this stuff and setting up the desk that I got months ago. And then tomorrow I also plan on going into like Home Goods, Ross, Goodwill to get a couple things to really turn this space into my own. I also think it'd be really cool to have right here be like a yoga area section. I got this gorgeous vase from Ross for $10.99. You guys have to stop sleeping on Ross. And this ginormous rose candle for literally $11. Like, hello? Oh my gosh. It's adorable. I love it. I also plan on getting an ottoman so I can like put it right there. Probably pink, because pink is my favorite color. It's gonna be a lot of pink in here. And I'm gonna kick up my feet while I'm doing work and stuff. And it's gonna be so nice to be able to do work outside of my room. Because right now my room is my office and my room. So, you know. Let's make a matcha. It's important to soak your whisk for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the bristles can soften and you can make matcha the traditional Japanese way. All right, can we like take a minute to really just appreciate my matcha stand, please? Please and thanks. These are the matchas that I have been using lately. The best one is by the company called Rockies. Today, I think I'm gonna be using matcha.com. I have no idea what happened to my scooper. It's so flat. Going to add a little tip of blue agave just to bring out the sweetness. Now let's get some ice in there. Actually, first I'm gonna put in the jam. I love using a natural organic jam because it's much healthier than a lot of the syrups that they offer. This much is good. I'm the matcha queen, hello. Also, did you guys hear that there's a matcha shortage? Like around the whole entire world? People just have to be more considerate. Like, why are you buying $300 worth of matcha each time that the site gets reloaded? Like, I just cannot understand people sometimes.
Another beer in the basement, then I'm out in the card, sitting quietly in the dark, staring at the abyss. Can't remember the feeling of a kiss.
Okay, this is today's outfit. I have to go out on the road later in like 2 hours to get my stuff for the den from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and like Goodwill and Ross. But yeah, me look good. Me know me look cute. Alright, go on now, slimmers. Okay.
I'm all alone on Saturday night.
Oh, hello there. I finished the majority of my work in about like 2 hours today. So now I'm finally gonna go to the different array of stores to get some new supplies for my little den slash office upstairs. Let's go. Okay, hello again. I'm literally smiling and cheesing so hard. Home Goods, Ross, TJ Maxx was a success. I also went grocery shopping to get a little bit of fruit, veggies, stuff, because I need to have my fresh fruit, okay? There were so many nice people when I was out. A lot of people were just talking to me. I guess I just look approachable. But one lady came up to my cars and she was like, let me guess, your favorite color is pink? I was like, yes it is. And then another lady, when I was at Aldi, she was like, your car gives me good memories. I was like, my car? She said yes, Ross, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods. And we just like have a whole conversation about like how those stores are absolutely amazing. I mean, like, seriously, if you're on a budget and if you just don't like to spend a lot of money on one thing, you can get so many nice things from these stores. They are so great for people on a budget. Chef's Kiss, love it. Anyways, let's do a little haul and show you all what I got. So I got this super gorgeous lamp from TJ Maxx. Home Goods, $14.99. 100% cotton throw blanket, $29.99. Some light bulbs, $3. Herbal medicine book about behaviors of people. Personal finance book, all $15 from Five Below. These two super duper cute stools for $5 each from Five Below. Hello. I'm going to put this on my desk. It'll be perfect for having like pens and stuff. This was about $8 or $9 from Home Goods. This super nice rug from Ross for like $10. A really nice musky candle from TJ Maxx, $8. Some new 100% cotton hand towels for my bathroom. Super cute crate for storage. About $12 or so. This incredibly gorgeous lamp from TJ Maxx for $25. I mean, this is just gorgeous. And then we have this gigantic rug from Ross. It's so soft. It's $34. Let's go ahead and start to get to rearranging.
You know I had to pop out with that new hot shit. Been a minute since you got the groove like this. Check the weather, find out what's the move right quick. We could go together, I'll come through in my whip. I put fists together, I assume my drip. I don't do the counterfeit, I'm too authentic. Thankful when I wake up in the morning. Don't hit my line if I won't like what is concerning. I just wanna vibe out for the moment.
Okay, I forgot to show some other things. I also got this super cute like trinket thing there from Ross, $5.99. This gorgeous candle holder, which will probably not be holding any candles. Ross, $8.99. And then I got another super gorgeous rug from Ross. This is $9.99. It's like insane.
Yeah, man, you can erase it. It's no way to fight it, so embrace it. It's just what you want, you better chase it. They know who got the way, they better face it. Feel like we the fighters came from basic.
I feel like another table. We're gonna ignore all of this, okay? I feel like another table right here with another lamp would look absolutely incredible.
Pretentious, I meant it if I said it. I gotta be cautious cause I don't know their intentions. I know they be watching from a distance. All up in my business. That I do music, oh that's not what you expected. I'm nothing like them dudes that only do it for attention. Nowadays I can't even give a hater a mention. If it ain't in my best interest, I crop them out the picture. I should dive in and live and I'm about to take off in a minute. You can slide it away. I got things to do, places I wanna be. So I must stay dedicated, don't be waiting on me.
Oh yeah, I love this.
Putting numbers on the board, I shoot like Dame flips 3. Yeah. And when I ball, I'ma ball hard. If I win, then you win it with me on the statement. Know what's on your mind, you can't erase it. There's no way to fight it, so embrace it. If that's what you want, you better chase it. They know who got the way, they better face it. Feel like we the fighters, came from basic. Taking off like I'm whipping a spaceship.
You guys have to look at this. This is going to be my safe haven. Like, oh my goodness, it is a pink wonderland. It is so gorgeous. This cute little couch that I literally got for free from my friend is gonna be so nice. Has my little blanket, the toast, the pillows, my ottoman when I can kick up my feet, and this gorgeous lighting. And then I'm loving this accent rug so much, and the table and the decorations may put on it, the candle, and this gorgeous vase for literally $10, and this beautiful like decoration. I know this right here, like right here, so looks lackluster. I have to get like a piece of furniture. There was this really nice ottoman type thing, a really long one from Ross. I'm thinking of getting it, putting it there with pillows, and then having this cherry one right there and the strawberry one right there, and then having a lamp next to it so I can have that as a place to read as well. And then this right here might be like a little corner with a nice like chair or couch, throw pillows, throw blankets, and yeah, over here looks a garbage mess. I literally have to attack that tomorrow, but basically this is going to be where I set up my desk, and this is going to be my proper office so that I can work outside of my room. And yeah guys, this is the space. It looks so good and pink and girly. I'm in love. This, I just spilled it. una offer try this. Okay?
Woke up on the wall, 7 years of winter. Always wanting more, but we still have each other. It's a classic wasteland with a sound you can't deny. I've seen many places, but this is our home in time. We unite, everything's blown to pieces. Oh, this time love will be the winner. Right in time for you and me. We hope for change. I know it's time to leave, just waiting for the right time. Wherever you are heading, destruction is to find.
You guys look. Look how cutie pie. Oh.
Places, but this is our home in time. We unite, everything's blown to pieces. Oh, this time love will be the winner. Right in time for you and me. We hope for change. We unite, everything's blown to pieces. Oh, this time love will be the winner. Right in time for you and me. We hope for change. We unite, everything's blown to pieces. Oh, this time love will be the winner. Right in time for you and me. We hope for change.
Magazines promise you it's not nothing to do with that.
Another day, another dollar. Today I have to film a video and actually edit it and upload it today. I am doing a comparison video between the Almond Cow and another machine that I use all the time. It's the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker because they're currently having a sale, a $50 off sale for this. So that's for the schedule today. I'm drinking my smoothie and I couldn't find my microphone. I almost started crying, but I found them, okay? I found them. Trying something new today. This was buy one get one free at Publix. And there's no soy.
Yeah, that the speakers when I roll through. I don't hang around long. I've been about my business, I've been working to the moon. As in my religion, when you get to the door. On a mission, I've been 10 toes, I don't never fold. Ain't no competition, beefing up all them, but keep running up the digits. We need it all, from the spring to the winter, we don't take no intermissions. But in the hours and the seconds and the minutes, as long as the clock still tick, you can always count on me to talk that. It's been a minute since you heard somebody rock like this. And if the shoes that make me walk like this, I ain't paid for it, I was made for it. That's for certain, I'm 50-50, I'm not skateboarding. And I don't like to follow rules, I don't take orders. I don't like to follow rules, I don't take orders. Be trying your hardest to fake me, yeah, I know. Don't try to play me, baby, I'm way too grown. Portraying an angel, but acting shady on the low.
I think I lost my consciousness in a...
Grand rising. We are working from the new home office today, and I just have my pajamas on and this cute llama sweater I got from Peru. Let's work.
Trains keep
So cute.
running, hearts keep breaking. I keep writing songs about things that are out of my control, but I pretend they're not, and then wonder why the outcome's not what I planned for.
So cute. This is how I'm breaking my fast. Oranges, apples, and then some coconut water while I get some work done. You guys, I made a matcha latte with no like syrup or no jam flavors, just with my matcha.com matcha and some vanilla and agave, and this is delicious.
I've never been the one to spend hours together. I love my friends, but I like silence even better. And I love my parents, but I can't keep all my promises. Yeah, maybe I should start thinking less. Live my life how it fits me best. Got up for the ones who cannot comprehend. Maybe I'm not doing well.
Look at this gorgeous sun catcher that I bought. Oh my gosh. Please ignore the TV on downstairs, but the room is really coming together. My mom had advised me to move the ottoman over there, right next to the new shelf I put up, and I think it looks amazing. And of course, there's my little corner, my little working office. I have to switch the chair because this chair sucks.
Crazy, you say that I'm too picky, but there's too much on my plate. Here's my promise to myself and whoever is bothered.
She said, "Can I?"